Welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking show. It's amazing to be in the kitchen, guys, one more time. Explaining it all, it is just brilliant and really wonderful and nice. Today is Easter Sunday and a lot of people cooking at home at the moment. A lot of people doing different stuff, different things. But hopefully today you will enjoy Easter Sunday dinner. A nice lovely piece of leg lamb. Oh man, beautiful and nice. So enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the channel, leave your comments. Thank you so much for watching the cooking show. We got a lot more recipe coming out for you, and this recipe is just brilliant recipe for you, good for special, a nice lovely day like today, the day the Lord has made. So guys, let's have a wonderful time, enjoy it. Lovely, nice piece of a roast lamb at home for Sunday dinner. Thank you so much, and hopefully we can come with better in the future. See you next time. Bye bye. Nice and lovely. Welcome back again with Chef Ricardo cooking show, guys. Today we want to show you how you can roast a nice lovely lamb leg with some ginger beer. First of all, we need to get it marinated. As you can see, it's a nice lovely piece of a lamb leg. What we're gonna do, we're gonna simple. Let's put some oil inside of the lamb like this. And stuff some garlic. Just like that. And just like this. Just like this. As you can see, that's beautiful. Nice one. As you can see so far, that's the way lamb look. Second thing, we're gonna put some salt. On this side. Next, we're gonna put some herb. Turn over to the other side. Herb again. Second thing, some all-purpose season, just a little bit of all-purpose season. Over to the other side. And some coarse pepper. Gonna give it some rosemary. Over to the other side. As you can see exactly what's going on. Let's give it a nice little rub like this. put a little bit more of the all-purpose season. Some thyme, some white onion, but I did wash off my lamb first before I do anything, so that's the marinated so far. Some thyme on it and some white onion. Just like that. Let's give it a second, guys. The second thing, we're gonna put some ginger beer. First thing you need to do is to preheat the oven. Preheat the oven, that's one of the first things what you need to do. After you preheat the oven, gas mark 9, or if you're using a different kind of oven, put it on a high temperature, that's the ice, and roast it for 1 hour. Call it 1 hour, and after 1 hour you can check it if it is soft and tender the way you want it. So enjoy the recipe as I put this in the oven, this piece of a lamb leg in the oven, and roast it for 1 hour. Enjoy the recipe. Thank you so much, guys. Nice and lovely. So what I want to simply say to you guys is just take the piece of a lamb leg from the oven, as you can see, looking lovely and nice. What I'm gonna do is pour some of the liquid on it, just like this. Looking lovely and nice, and as you can see, juicy and really moisture. So I'm just gonna pour a little bit of the liquid over it, just like this. As you can see, exactly what's going on right here, guys. To be honest, it's just really fantastic and really nice. So hopefully guys you enjoy the recipe, and I'm gonna put it back in the oven for another good 10 minutes. Nice and lovely. Just take it back from the oven and give it a nice good 10 minutes back inside of the oven, just to get that lovely, beautiful brownish color. That was what I was looking for on the lamb. So what I'm gonna do now, just gonna put the lamb to rest. And this you can serve with some roasted newly potato, or roasted potato or rice, whatever you like to serve it with. So enjoy the recipe, guys, and subscribe the channel, leave your comments. And this is Easter Sunday roast lamb, and this is the way it looking so lovely and fantastic, as you can see. So enjoy the recipe and subscribe the channel and leave your comments. Thank you so much. See you next time. And this is from Chef Ricardo on the team.